Hello friends, Namaste. In the previous video lecture we have learnt exercise 7.5. Now in this session we will learn exercise 7.6. Our first question is solve 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 7. When you have to add the fraction, your numerator or denominator will be same. Here your denominator should be same. Here the denominator is 3, here the denominator is 7. Therefore, to make the denominator same, you have to take LCM. LCM of 3 and 7 will be 21. Now the first fraction is 2 upon 3. To get 21 in the denominator, you have to multiply by 7. 2 sevens are and 3 sevens are. Here your denominator is 7. To obtain 21 you have to multiply by 3. 1 3s are 7 3s are. 1 3s are 3, 7 3s are 21. Means 7 2s are, here 7 2s are 14 upon 21. Here 1 3s are 3 upon 21. Now our denominator are same. Therefore, write the denominator only one time, 21, and add the numerator, 14 plus 3. 14 plus 3 means 17. 17 upon 21 is our answer. Now second, 3 upon 10 plus 7 upon 15. Here also the denominators are different. Therefore, we have to take LCM. LCM of 10 and 15 will be 30. Now here there is 10. To get 30 we have to multiply by 3. 3 into 3 upon 10 into 3. Here denominator is 15. To get 30 we have to multiply by 2. 7 multiply by 2, 15 multiply by 2. Here 3 3s are 9 upon 10 3s are 30. Here 7 2s are 14 upon 15 2s are 30. Now 30 in the denominator, add 9 plus 14. 9 plus 14, 23. 23 upon 30 is our answer. Third, 4 upon 9 plus 2 upon 7. Here also denominators are not same. Therefore, you have to take LCM. LCM of 9 and 7 will be 63. Now here there is 9. To get 63, you have to multiply by 7. 4 into 7 upon 9 into 7. Plus here denominator is 7. To get 63, you have to multiply by 9. 2 multiply by 9, 7 multiply by 9. 4 sevens are 28 upon 63. Plus 2 nines are 18 upon 7 nines are 63. Now the denominator are same, 63. Add the numerator, 28 plus 18. 28 plus 18, 46. Our answer will be 46 upon 63. Now fourth, 5 upon 7 plus 1 upon 3. LCM of 7 and 3 will be 21. Now here there is 7. To get 21 we have to multiply by 3. 5 3s are, 7 3s are. Here the denominator is 3. To get 21 we have to multiply by 7. 1 sevens are, 3 sevens are. Now 5 3s are 15 upon 7 3s are 21. Plus 1 sevens are 7 upon 3 sevens are 21. Now denominator are same, 21. Add the numerator, 15 plus 7. 15 plus 7, 22. 22 upon 21. Now look, this is improper fraction. Our numerator is greater than denominator. Therefore, here you have to write this fraction in mixed number. When you divide, you will get one integer 1 upon 21. This is your final answer. Now, question E, 2 upon 5 plus 1 upon 6. Friends, this sum you can do yourself. Take the LCM. LCM will be 30. Now, With this method, you can do this sum. F is 4 upon 5, 2 upon 3. Here, your LCM will be 15. You can do this sum yourself. Now G, 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 3. Here also, denominators are not same. Take the LCM of 4 and 3. LCM of 4 and 3 will be 12. Now here there is 4. To get 12, multiply by 3. 3 multiply by 3 upon 4 multiply by 3. Minus, here there is 3. To get 12, you multiply by 4. 1 into 4 upon 3 into 4. Now 3 3s are 9 upon 4 3s are 12. Minus 1 4s are 4 upon 3 4s are 12. 12 in the denominator. Now here there is subtraction, therefore 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 equals 5. 5 upon 12 is the answer. Now H, 5 upon 6 minus 1 upon 3. Here the LCM of 6 and 3 will be 6. Here there is already given 6. Therefore multiply by 1. 5 ones are 6 ones are. Minus, here there is 3. To get 6 we have to multiply by 2. 1 into 2 upon 3 into 2. 5 ones are 5. 6 ones are 6. Minus 1 twos are 2. 3 twos are 6. Now 6 in the denominator. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2, answer will be 3. 3 upon 6. Now you can cut this number. 3 ones are, 3 twos are. Therefore your simplest form will be 1 upon 2. Now I, 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2. Here there are 3 fractions given. Therefore you have to take the LCM of all the 3 fractions. Here 3, 4 and 2 in the denominator. Therefore LCM of 3, 4 and 2 will be 12. Now here there is 3. To get 12 in the denominator, multiply by 4. Here there is 4. To get 12 you have to multiply by 3. Here there is 2. To get 12 you have to multiply by 6. 2 upon 3 multiply by 4 upon 4. 2 4s are 8 upon 12. Here there is 3 upon 4. Multiply by 3. 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. Here the number is 1 upon 2. Multiply by 6. 1 6 are, 2 6 are. 6 ones are 6. 2 6 are 12. Now the number you obtain are 8 upon 12. 9 upon 12, 6 upon 12. Now the denominator are same. Then add 8 upon 12 plus 9 upon 12 plus 6 upon 12. Denominator 12. Add the numerator 8 plus 9 plus 6. Your answer will be 23 upon 12. Now this is the improper fraction. Therefore divide the number. 23 divided by 12. 12 ones are 12. 11 will be the remainder. Therefore your mixed fraction will be 1 integer 11 upon 12. Now next question. 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 6. Here also there are 3 fractions. Therefore you have to take LCM of 2, 3 and 6. LCM of 2, 3 and 6 will be 6. Now first fraction is 1 upon 2. Here to get 6 you have to multiply by 3. 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. Second fraction is 1 upon 3. To get 6 you have to multiply by 2. 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6. Here already the fraction is given 1 upon 6. 6 is the LCM, therefore you have to multiply by 1. 1 ones are 1, 6 ones are 6. Now you obtain the number 3 upon 6, 2 upon 6, 1 upon 6. Add all the 3 numbers. 3 upon 6 plus 2 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6. Denominator is 6. Add the numerator. 3 plus 2 plus 1. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 upon 6 is your answer. Now you can cut 6 ones are 6. Therefore 1 is your final answer. Now K, 1 integer 1 upon 3 plus 3 integer 2 upon 3. Here the mixed fraction is given. First you have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. 3 ones are 3 plus 1, 4 upon 3. Here 3 threes are 9 plus 2, 11, 11 upon 3, 11 upon 3. Now here the denominator are same. Therefore you can simply add denominator 3, 4 plus 11 is 15. Therefore your answer will be 15 upon 3. Now cut 3 ones are 3 fives are. Therefore your final answer will be 5. Next question, 4 integer 2 upon 3 plus 3 integer 1 upon 4. Here also the mixed fraction is given. Therefore convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. 3 fours are 12, 12 plus 2, 14 upon 3 plus 4 threes are 12 plus 1, 13 upon 4. Here the denominator are not same. Therefore you have to take LCM of 3 and 4. LCM of 3 and 4 will be 12. Now here to get 12 you multiply by 4. 14 upon 3 multiply by 4 upon 4 plus here the denominator is 4. To get 12 you have to multiply by 3. 13 into 3, 4 into 3. Here 14 fours are 56 upon 3 fours are 12. 13 threes are 39 upon 4 threes are 12. Now the denominator are same 12. 12, 56 plus 39. 56 plus 39, answer will be 95 upon 12. Now this is improper fraction. Therefore convert it into mixed number. 12 sevens are 84. 11 is the remainder. Therefore answer will be 7 integer 11 upon 12. Now question M, 16 upon 5 minus 7 upon 5. Look, here the denominator are same. Therefore you have to simply subtract. 5 denominator, 16 minus 7. 16 minus 7, 9. Answer will be 9 upon 5. Now convert the fraction into improper fraction. Sorry, this fraction is improper fraction and you have to convert it in mixed number. 5 ones are 5, 4 will be the remainder. Therefore your answer will be 1 integer 4 upon 5. Now N, 4 upon 3 minus 1 upon 2. Here the denominator are not same. Therefore you have to take LCM. LCM of 3 and 2 will be 6. Now here 4 upon 3. To get 6 you multiply by 2. Here 1 upon 2. To get 6 you have to multiply by 3. 4 twos are 8, 3 twos are 6, 8 upon 6 minus 1 threes are 3, 2 threes are 6, 3 upon 6. Now denominator are same, 6, 8 minus 3, 8 minus 3, answer will be 5 upon 6. Now question number 2, Sarita bought 2 upon 5 meter of ribbon and Lalita 3 upon 4 meter of ribbon. What is the total length of the ribbon they bought? Sarita's ribbon is 2 upon 5. Lalita's ribbon 3 upon 4. Means total length will be 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 4. Here denominator are not same. Therefore LCM will be 20. Now 2 upon 5, to get 20 here multiply by 4. 2 fours are 5 fours are. Here the fraction is 3 upon 4. To get 20 multiply by 5. 3 fives are 4 fives are. Now 2 fours are 8 upon 5 fours are 20 plus 3 fives are 15 upon 4 fives are 20. 20 is the denominator. Add 8 plus 15. 23 upon 20 means total length of the ribbon will be 23 upon 20 meter. This is improper fraction. You can convert the improper fraction in mixed number also. In mixed number your answer will be 1 integer 3 upon 20 meter. Now question number 4. Naina was given 1 integer 1 upon 2 piece of cake and Najma was given 1 integer 1 upon 3 piece of cake. Find the total amount of cake was given to both of them. Naina was given 1 integer 1 upon 2. Najma was given 1 integer 1 upon 3. Now total amount will be 1 integer 1 upon 2 plus 1 integer 1 upon 3. This is mixed fraction. Therefore, first we convert the mixed number into improper fraction. 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3 upon 2. 3 ones are 3 plus 1, 4 upon 3. Now denominator are not same. Therefore, take the LCM. LCM of 2 and 3 will be 6. Now here there is 2. To get 6, you multiply by 3. 3 upon 2 multiply by 3 upon 3 plus 4 upon 3. Here there is 3. Therefore, you have to multiply by 2. 4 twos are 3 twos are. Now here 3 threes are 9. 2 threes are 6 plus 4 twos are 8 upon 3 twos are 6. Now denominator are same. 6. 9 plus 8. 17. 17 upon 6. Now this is the improper fraction. Therefore, you have to divide. 6 twos are 12. 7 minus 12. Remainder will be 5. Therefore, your mixed fraction will be 2 integer 5 upon 6. Means total amount of the cake given to both of them will be 2 integer 5 upon 6. Now question number 4. Fill in the boxes. A, there is box is given minus 5 upon 8 equals 1 upon 4. Here the total answer of your question is 1 upon 4. Therefore, you have to put 7 upon 8 here. 7 minus 5, there will be 2 upon 8. When you cut the number, 2 ones are, 2 fours are, you will get 1 upon 4. Now, here second number is 7 upon 10 minus 1 upon 5. Here the answer will be 7 upon 10 because when you subtract the number, look, here you can apply this method. 7 upon 8 minus 5 upon 8 equals 1 upon 4. Here the box is given. To write your answer, you have to add both this number because here there is sign of subtraction. If you add 1 upon 4 and 5 upon 8, you will get 7 upon 8. Now here also there is box. To obtain the value in the box, you have to add both this number 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 5. 5 ones are 5, 2 ones are 2 means 5 plus 2, 7 upon 2 5s are 10. It is your answer in the box. Now 1 upon 2 minus box equals 1 upon 6. Here you have box at this place. Therefore, here you have to subtract. Subtract smaller number from the bigger number. 1 upon 2 is bigger than 1 upon 6. Now subtract 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 6. You can cross multiply. 6 ones are 6 minus 2 ones are 2. 6 minus 2 means 4. 4 upon 6 twos are 12. 4 upon 12 means 4 ones are, 4 threes are. Your final answer will be 1 upon 3. Means you can apply this method. If there is box here, you have to add the given number. If there is box here and the sign is of subtraction, not addition, then you can do like this. Here there is box at this place, therefore you have to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. Now question number 5. Complete the addition and subtraction box. Here 2 upon 3, 4 upon 3, 1 upon 3 and 2 upon 3 are given. Now you have to add in horizontal and vertically you have to subtract. Here horizontally you have to add 2 upon 3 plus 4 upon 3. Denominator same means 3. 2 plus 4, 6 means here 6 upon 3. When you cut, the final number will be 2. Now here 1 upon 3, 2 upon 3. Denominator same 3. 1 plus 2, 3. Your answer is 3 upon 3 means 1. Now you have to subtract vertically. 2 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3. 2 minus 1, 1 and 3 in the denominator. Therefore here your answer is 1 upon 3. Here 4 upon 3 minus 2 upon 3. 4 minus 2, 2 and denominator 3 means here your answer is 2 upon 3. Now here answer is 2. Here answer is 1. 2 minus 1, your answer is 1. Now 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3. 3 in the denominator. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 upon 3 means 1. Now here in this table the denominator are not same. 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3. Therefore here I have do the method 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3. LCM is 6. Here you can also do the cross multiplication. 3 ones are 2 ones are means 3 plus 2 upon 2 into 3, 6. Therefore 3 plus 2, 5 upon 6. Your answer is 5 upon 6 here. When you add two fractions, add or subtract, you can apply the method of cross multiply. Cross multiply and in the denominator multiply the denominator 2 into 3. Here second 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4. Cross multiply 4 ones are 4. 3 ones are 3. And denominator 3 multiply by 4, 12. 4 plus 3, 7 upon 12 is your answer. Now subtract 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3. 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3. Here also do the cross multiply. 3 ones are 3 minus 2 ones are 2 upon 2 threes are 6. 3 minus 2, 1 upon 6 is your answer. Here 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4. 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4. Do the cross multiply. 1 fours are 4. 3 ones are 3 upon 3 into 4, 12. 4 minus 3, 1 upon 12 is your answer. Now here 5 upon 6 and 7 upon 12 is given. 5 upon 6 minus 7 upon 12. 5 upon 6 minus 7 upon 12. Now do the cross multiplication. 12 5s are 60. 6 7s are 42 upon 6 into 12, 72. Now 60 minus 42, 18 upon 72. Now cut 18 ones are, 18 fours are. Therefore your answer here will be 1 upon 4. Means do the sum, add horizontally and subtract vertically and you can fill the box. Now question number 6. A piece of wire 7 upon 8 meter long broke into two pieces. One piece was 1/4 meter long. How long is the other piece? The total length of the wire is given 7 upon 8. And out of this wire there is one piece of 1 upon 4 meter long. Therefore the length of the other wire which is remaining wire, will be 7 upon 8 minus 1 upon 4. Here denominator are not same, therefore take the LCM. LCM of 8 and 4 will be 8. Here I have taken 16. 7 upon 8 to get 16, multiply by 2. 7 2s are 8 2s are minus, here there is 1 upon 4 to get 16, multiply by 4. 1 4s are 4 4s are. Now 7 4s are 7 2s are 14 upon 16 minus 1 4s are 4 upon 16. 14 minus 4, 10, 10 upon 16. Now cut, 5 2s are 8 2s are. Your answer will be 5 upon 8. If you take the LCM, here I have taken 16 but you take 8, then your final answer will be 5 upon 8. You can't get 10 upon 16. You will directly get 5 upon 8. Therefore, the length of the other piece will be 5 upon 8 meter long. Now question number 7. Nandini's house is 9 upon 10 kilometer from her school. She walked some distance and then took a bus for 1 upon 2 kilometer to reach the school. How far did she walk? The total distance of the school from the house is 9 upon 10 kilometer. She travelled by bus. The distance is 1 upon 2 kilometer. Now, how far did she walk? Means she walked for total distance minus distance travelled by bus. 9 upon 10 minus 1 upon 2. Here LCM will be 10. Therefore, here multiply by 1. Here multiply by 5. 9 ones are 10 ones are minus 1 5s are 2 5s are. 9 ones are 9 upon 10 minus 5 ones are 5 upon 10. 9 minus 5 4. 4 upon 10 is the answer. Now you can cut 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10. Means your final answer will be 2 upon 5. Means Nandini walked 2 upon 5 kilometer. Now question number 8. Asha and Samuel have bookshelves of the same size, partly filled with books. Asha's shelf is 5 upon 6th full and Samuel's shelf is 2 upon 5th full. Whose shelf is more full? By what fraction? Asha's shelf is 5 upon 6th full and Samuel's shelf is 2 upon 5th full. Now, to get the answer, your denominator will be same. Asha's shelf is 5 upon 6 and Samuel's shelf is 2 upon 5. Here there is 6, here there is 5. Therefore, your LCM will be 30. Now 5 upon 6, to get 30, you have to multiply by 5. 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30. Therefore, Asha's fraction will be 25 upon 30. Samuel fraction 2 upon 5. To get 30, you have multiply by 6. 2 6 are 5 6 are. Your answer will be 12 upon 30. Means Asha's self is 25 upon 30 full and Samuel's self is 12 upon 30 full. Whose self is more full? Asha. 25 upon 30 means Asha's self is more full. Now, by how much? To get the second answer, you have to subtract 25 upon 30 minus 12 upon 30. Your denominator is same. Therefore, 30 in the denominator. 25 minus 12. Your answer will be 13 upon 30. Means Asha's self is more full by 13 upon 30. Now question number 9. Jaidev takes 2 integer 1 upon 5 minutes to walk across the school ground. Rahul takes 7 upon 4 minutes to do the same. Who takes less time by what fraction? Jaydev's time is 2 integer 1 upon 5 minutes. Means 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11 upon 5 minutes. Rahul's time is 7 upon 4 minutes. Now, to compare the fraction, you have to take the LCM. Here there is 5, here there is 4. LCM of 5 and 4 will be 20. Now 11 upon 5. To get 20 here, multiply by 4. 11 4s are 44, 5 4s are 20. Means Jaydev's fraction is 44 upon 20. Now here there is 7 upon 4. To get 20 here, multiply by 5. 7 5s are 4 5s are. 7 5s are 35, 4 5s are 20. Means Rahul's fraction is 35 upon 20. Means Rahul fraction is less than Jaidev. 35 upon 20 is less than 44 upon 20. Means Rahul takes less time to walk across the school ground. By how much? Then you have to subtract. Subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. 44 upon 20 minus 35 upon 20. Denominator is 20. Now subtract 44 minus 35. 44 minus 35, answer will be 9 upon 20. Means Rahul's take less time by 9 upon 20 than Jaidev. Friends, here your exercise 7 upon 7.6 is completed and the entire chapter of fraction is completed. So write all the sums in your maths classwork. Try to understand. Thank you.